Hello guys, welcome to TechnoLung Reviews. Do you want a lifetime deal on a professional online meeting platform? If yes, then watch this video. Today, we are going to review GoBrunch. It will make your online meetings more fun, engaging, and interactive. It is an alternative to On24 and Zoom. And it is the best tool for course creators, event organizers, and small businesses. You will find its lifetime deal starting at just $79 at AppSumo. It offers 3 license tiers, starting from $79 to $239. Check their features here. When I am reviewing, it shows a huge 256 reviews, and the count is increasing rapidly. If we look at the review section, almost all the reviews are good. This means that GoBrunch is a quality online meeting organizing tool. Now, without further delay, let's jump into the website of GoBrunch. It is the ultimate virtual office and community platform for creators and startups. It has some key features. Let's check them out. There are 6 reasons to pick GoBrunch. Here are them. Now, let's explore the dashboard of GoBrunch. Here, you will see different options, such as meeting, co-working space, classroom, event, webinar, traditional meeting, showcase, and watch a tutorial. First, we will check Meeting. After clicking Get Started, it will lead you to Choose your room layout. Here, you need to choose room layout. There are different categories, such as morning cafe, 2 seats available, beach house meeting room, 3 seats available, isometric coffee shop, 10 seats available, and so on. You can select any option you want. I select the morning cafe and then click Create. Now, give access to the camera and microphone, then click I am ready. Your meeting room has been created successfully. Now, here is your meeting link. You need to copy and send it to your meeting members, and they can join the meeting with this link. At the bottom left, you will get different options, such as mic. With it, you can edit your mic settings. Circle cam. With it, you can set up your circle cam setting. With the cam option, you can edit your full web camera settings. Share, here you will find different options, such as share your screen, play a YouTube video, boards and apps, files, and share this room link. You can use any function if needed. The next option is Record. With it, you can record your meeting. The My View has different options, such as dynamic mode, presentation mode, and so on. You can explore it if needed. Here in Attendees, you will get different options. All circle cams. It shows all meeting members in a circle. You can enable or disable it. All mics. You can enable or disable all mics with it. Individual search. You can search for any meeting members here, and you can mute, make a presenter, make a moderator, block the chat, or remove them with it. Move attendance. Not necessary. This room function has different options and settings. You can make any edit to the existing room with it. On the left bottom, you will find a chat box where you can send SMS, GIFs, and others like this. Next is the co-working space. It is 24/7, a permanent office. Let's explore it by clicking Get Started. Then name your co-space like Marketing Way. Then click Next. Then it will ask to add a secret key to ensure extra security. Give Yes. Then make a secret key like MW1234. Then it will ask to collect registrations, yes or no. You can select No. After that, it will ask about extra rooms adding. You can select None or any number. If your office has different facilities like the marketing section, graphics section, etc., you can select the needed number of rooms. I select None. Then you need to select the room layout. We already described it. Next is Copy Link and Join. The next options are the same as Meeting. The next feature is Classroom. You can make a classroom here and take classes. Just name it, then select the time. I select Now. Then you need to define class time from the options below. I select 30 minutes. The next options are the same as co-working space. With the event function, you can manage events. The setup options are the same as the previous one. Next is the webinar. Give the name of the webinar. Then you need to select the webinar time. Next, define the webinar time limit from the options. The next options are the same as co-working space. The very next feature is the traditional meeting, a basic, and one-to-one meeting feature. We will not explore it in this video. Next is showcase. Here you can showcase your art and products to clients. All the next options are the same. The final feature is watch a tutorial. It will take you to its YouTube playlist. You can learn from here. In My Species, you can check your previous meetings, classroom, webinar, etc. data. So, it is a complete review with a step-by-step tutorial on GoBrunch, a meeting organization tool. If you follow this video, you will not need any tutorials to use this tool. If you need this tool, then you can buy its lifetime deal from AppSumo at just $79. License Tier 1 is okay for most of us. You can check other plan offerings here, depending on the participants, video storage, etc. You can choose any plan you want. I give the lifetime deal link in the description of the video. Just go to the link and purchase it if you really need it. It is an affiliate link. If you purchase from this link, I will get a small percentage, and you will get a 10% discount also. Moreover, if you really like this video, please subscribe to us and give us a like. And for more information, please visit www.technolung.com.